What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video on the OEM&x YouTube channel, your favorite unenthusiastic car enthusiast. And what I wanted to just pretty much bring you guys in and let you guys know how, you guys know I got the seats in the car. Good to go, all settled in. You know, with having aftermarket seats, you will get codes and lights on your dash and all of that stuff. And also, my wheels, I don't have TPMS sensors in here and these BBSs, so I'm gonna get those installed at a later date. But I wanted to let you guys know how and what you need to do in order to install seats and get the codes and all that stuff off of your dash. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go get to it. All right, you definitely need a OBD connection and a laptop. Yes, I have a pink laptop. This laptop is specifically for tuning, coding, and everything for the G80. It was the cheapest one I could find on Amazon. It was like $174. It is extremely slow, but it gets the job done, and so I leave it out in the garage because yeah, so yeah, cool. Got a pink laptop. So what you do, and what you would need to do is, everything was coded through a company called Beamer Remote. I'll put the link down in the description for the website. You simply go on there and you can select, they have so many different codings. They do the transmission coding for, like, if you have an automatic and you want to do the CS transmission, you can do that. You can do some lighting stuff. You can do the racing seat delete. You can do EDC delete, which is also what I did. And then they don't have it on their listing, but I did when I talked to them. They said, you know, I asked them if they can clear my TPMS, and they went ahead and did that as well. So great customer service, really easy to use. Pretty much all you do, you know, and so you guys can see as well. So I just have that's gonna get enough. All right, so I just have my check engine light for my downpipes. So yeah, that's the only code I have. All other codes and things in the menu. Let's see, car, see vehicle status. Yep. So flat tire monitor, good. This is just for the in diagnostic mode, and that's just for the probably the check engine light. So everything else is cleared. Normally you have a slew of errors and stuff. You know, when you install these seats, it's overwhelming. So I made sure I got that taken care of ASAP. So yeah, that's what that looks like. But I mean, yeah, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You just literally, you know, plug your OBD down here and then plug it into your computer. Make sure you're within range of Wi-Fi. You do everything through WhatsApp with them, and they will send you links and all that stuff, and you pretty much remote in, and they just take control of your computer. Takes about 30 minutes, maybe, not even, maybe less, and they clear everything. So again, I got the racing seat delete. That was first. They also did the EDC. So if you have any type of coilover application, I know a lot of guys that want to upgrade their coilovers, or upgrade to coilovers that don't have the EDC delete that comes from, you know, the actual wires that come from like KW or Olin's. You can just get them coated off for a fraction of the price. And that's what I did. And then also I got the TPMS taken off, and that was pretty much it. So I have no errors on the car. I know people are going to be in the comments like, you don't got your TPMS, how you going to know? I know. I don't drive the car that much. It sits in the garage. I have hidden valve stems on my car. So being that my valve stems are in the barrels, like on the inner barrels of the car, I couldn't mount the TPMS things without using bands, and I didn't have any at the time. So I just got the tires put on and called it good. But I will probably get them put on because I think I'm gonna upgrade the rear tire to a 295, and then when I do that, I'll get the TPMS put on and all good to go. So yeah, all I got is my check engine light for my downpipes, and that'll get off when I do my tune, whenever I do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's all you need is a computer. This thing here, I'll put the link down in the description so you know which one to get, and it's plugs right into your computer. Most standard laptops, you cannot use a Mac. I have a MacBook, I have an iMac and all that stuff. Can't use it. So that's why I got this cheap Windows HP PC, which are the worst. But it works. And shout out to those guys at Beamer Remote. Super easy to work with, super simple. If you bundle a bunch of things, send them a message and they will, you'll send them an email and they do you like a code or whatever, so you can actually get a percentage off for having multiple items coded at once. And I think altogether it was maybe like 300 or something like that. I had to pay the TPMS was 80, and I had to do that like after I ordered the stuff, because I just asked them as they were doing it, like, hey, do you guys do TPMS? So that was like a quick $80. I just PayPal'd it to him. Easy enough, but he took care of it. So that's pretty much it. Something you need to know. If you're doing racing seats, if you're doing coilovers, you need to code those things off so you don't get the errors all the time, and it won't be super annoying. Your car won't be making noises and all that stuff. It just looks tacky. So that's it for today's quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments. Follow me on Instagram if you have any questions. You can hit me up on there, whatever. And catch you guys on the next one. Peace.